In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana AI quick tips to create a project. This guide will help you utilize Asana's intelligent features for a more streamlined and efficient project setup. Let's dive right in and go through the entire process step by step. First, you'll need to initiate the project creation. Begin by locating the Create button on the top left corner of your Asana interface. Go ahead and click on it. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you want to select Project. This is where the magic begins, as you embark on crafting your new project in Asana. Next, you'll choose the type of project you wish to create. For this demonstration, we'll opt for a blank project. This option allows you to start from scratch, giving you complete control over every element and ensuring the setup is precisely tailored to your needs. Now, it's time to enable Asana AI Setup. To do this, first enter your desired project name. It's good to select a name that clearly reflects the purpose or objective of your project, as it will make organization and navigation much easier down the line. Once you've done that, click on Set Up with Asana Intelligence. This step is crucial because it activates the AI-driven features that will aid you in building your project efficiently. The Asana AI will now take over and provide you with several suggestions to enhance your project. It will propose a project description, which offers a brief overview of your project's purpose. Think of it as a roadmap for what the project intends to achieve. Additionally, the AI will suggest sections, which are categories or stages for task organization. These sections can help keep your workflow streamlined and clear. Custom fields are also recommended by the AI to capture essential data that might be relevant to your project's success. As you review these suggestions, you have the option to tailor them to better suit your vision. You can modify any AI-generated suggestions if they don't fit perfectly with your project goals. Sometimes, you might find that the first set of suggestions isn't exactly what you were hoping for. In such cases, feel free to regenerate new suggestions and see if they align better with your expectations. Of course, if you prefer to stick to your own ideas completely, you also have the option to discard the AI's inputs and proceed manually. Once you are satisfied with the setup provided or customized with the help of the AI, it's time to finalize your project creation. Simply click Create Project to establish your new project. With the AI-curated structure now in place, you are all set to dive into the project with an organized and thoughtful foundation. And there you have it. You've successfully utilized Asana's AI quick tips to create an efficient and organized project. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.